Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing one of our house favorite lunch menu and how is the weather over here and our personal experience in this snowy weather, and also few household tips as well I will be sharing. Hope you all like it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. Here in Canada, the weather is nice and cold, and every 2 days or 3 days once it will be snowing. Snowing means not necessarily it should be heavy snow. It can be light snow showers or even heavy snow. It takes turns, and also it was raining as well yesterday. These are curry leaves. I nicely dried them and I am going to store it because I use lot of curry leaves. Before I had a plant, but now I don't have plant, and often I can't keep going far away to buy these curry leaves. So I dried up few and kept some fresh ones in the fridge also. This is methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Just handful of fenugreek I sowed in 2 trays. I got lot of this methi leaves, that is one full box. These leaves are nice and small. In 10 days I harvested. It has a strong flavor. Little fenugreek itself will go a long way. If you use in chicken, mutton or even for paneer butter masala, you use little bit itself, it will give intense flavor because these leaves are small and it has very strong flavor. Even in this snowy weather, I just wanted to check whether it comes, and it came out really well. If you wash, they will become more fresh. I will be washing them then and there when I am going to use it all week long. This methi I will be using in my various dishes. This way I will keep it in fridge. And my curry leaf bottle is also ready. Today it was a sunny weather, so we chose to come out and take a little walk. Some places the snow was melting and the roads were dirty, and some places it was nice. It was a very beautiful walking experience for us in this snowy weather as well as sunny too. Of course it was cold, but yet it was very nice to walk in this snow. Today I am going to cook in my Instapot. This is new Instapot which I bought last week from Costco. If you have seen my last vlog, you would have seen I bought this Instapot. It is the same as like my old one only. Usually we use the saute mode for cooking and pressure cook for closing it and cook. Only difference in this new Instapot is the vent. Vent is little bit different, otherwise everything else is same. Today I am going to prepare Kofta Korma. This Kofta Korma is very tasty and delicious one. Already recipe is there in detail on channel. You can check. I will leave the link in the description box. To the minced meat I am adding onions, coriander and chilies paste. It is to that I added the powder of the roasted chana dal, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, garam masala and nutmeg powder. Nicely give it a good mix and leave it to rest for 20 minutes until we prepare the korma. For making korma, always I will be frying onions and then only I make korma. This way if you make korma, it is little bit extra taste I would say, rather than making it with the raw onions, grinding it. You just fry little bit those onions and then make korma, you will see the difference. I will be grinding these onions along with tomato and I will prepare the korma. Other than that, we will be adding coconut and yogurt. Today I am not using both coconut and yogurt, only onion and tomato korma only. As we are a small family, this korma itself is enough. If you want to increase, sure add coconut paste and yogurt. Just take oil in the Instapot. I have kept in saute mode. To that I have added the whole spices and all powdered masala along with the ginger garlic paste. Instantly add the water so that the masala doesn't burn. Nicely give it a good mix and add the onion tomato paste. Now nicely give it a good mix and let it get cooked. Keep it on low flames. And now I am preparing the koftas. Now these koftas I will be frying it in the oil, not deep fry. Lightly you have to fry so that it will get a nice toasty flavor in it. Even without frying also you can add these koftas in the curry, but if you add it after frying, the taste is little extra. While making kofta, sure take some water in your hand so that the koftas will be nice and round and the surface of the kofta will be smooth. You can see how nice shiny these koftas are. Now when the korma is ready, you can just shift all these koftas into that korma. Add extra water because these koftas will absorb lot of water also. To that I am just adding one potato. It will give nice thickness also to the curry. Sure, add it. I am going to just keep it for 5 minutes in Instapot steam. This has become our routine work, cleaning the car as well as cleaning the drive-through. Whenever you have to go out next day, it is better to clean the car instantly, otherwise it will freeze and stick. When the snow is very light and fluffy itself, it is better to clean. As we have planned to go out after lunch, I was preparing the lunch very quickly. In the same Instapot, I used the pot which I had earlier. I had the other Instapot, that vessel itself I have used in the same machine. You can see I am preparing khichdi. This is not the khichdi what usually the North Indians make. This is the rice which we call khichdi. Just simply I have taken the whole spices along with oil and ghee. To that I added the onions. Don't burn the onions or fry the onions too much. Just add ginger garlic paste. To that I also added some tomatoes, some vegetables, green chilies and turmeric powder. For sure you add. Nicely give it a good mix. To that I also added the rice and moong dal. Water I will be adding 1:2 proportion. Adjust your salt. I am adding coriander and dry mint leaves because I don't have fresh mint leaves. If you have fresh ones, do sure add fresh mint leaves. This is the recipe for traditional khichdi which every Muslim people will be making in their house. This is the khichdi recipe. For this kofta, khichdi is the ultimate combination. Do sure try. One more tip is, if your koftas are becoming hard, that means you have used less of onions. Do sure nicely add enough onions. Do not add too much onions also while grinding for the koftas. Quickly I also made a raita which is a must for every kind of pulao, khichdi or biryani. So I prepared the raita as well. In the beginning you would have seen I have grown methi at home. How to grow methi at home step by step video is already there on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want, you can check that as well. Now where we are going? We are going to buy uniform. Here in Canada, one of my child had to go to Catholic based school where uniform is a must from right first day. So just quickly we went to buy uniform, and the weather was so nice that it was very beautiful scenic ride. As we went on a long ride, the sun was swinging from left to right and right to left. It was very beautiful to see all over a white blanket of snow with the clear sky with vibrant shades of sunset colors. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Soon I will be back with another vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and make lots of good memories. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.